Hey guys, want to bring you another YouTube video update on my return process with HP for that laptop. As you guys know, I bought this particular laptop on Black Friday and then unboxed it almost close to Christmas time, so I'll probably put a link on that. You can see the time frame too, of how much time I've actually had this laptop. It's actually had more issues so far. So at this point, I don't know if I could recommend HP, because this return has been a nightmare. So then uh, I'll actually also attach the link for the return that I posted in January 15th of what happened and all that, of why we actually had to return it. So let me show. This is I spoke with them on this past Wednesday, which was actually 2 days ago. Would have been the 27th, and I think the person that was helping me was pretty much saying, well, you should hear back from HP for 24 48 hours. So I was like, all right, I haven't received any emails still to this point. Um, they always say that they're delayed because of everything going on with the pandemic. So this evening, I looked this up, and wanted to see what's the status. Well, the status is, instead of having it within 3 business days like they said they could, have it done, because they said, well, when we receive it, we should be able to get it done within 3 business days. So the other issue was that, you can see right here, HP shipped the package material on the 13th. HP received your original product on the 21st. So, for the longest time, there was no update for this package, and then even my shipping showed that it was delivered on the 19th. But apparently, when I tried calling them or looking up the update, I asked them, hey, what's going on? Why is there no update? And they said, well, sometimes there's a delay. And I said, well, according to FedEx, it was delivered to that warehouse of where it's supposed to be fixed. It was some repair place in California. So they told me, well, okay, we were able to locate it, but they locate it on the 21st. Again, I don't know if they don't have enough staff or something going on at the repair center in California, but then they said, yeah, we have it here. We haven't done anything, pretty much, it sounds like, because they just processed that they got it, even though HP did receive it on the 19th, because that's what tracking says. So it looked like the 21st, they said, is when they just got it and that they are going to start the process. Well, again, now it's looking, if even 3 business days would be the 22nd, 25th, and 26th. Originally, right here where you're looking right now, right here, estimated delivery date is now February 26th. This original estimation, again, was supposed to be done on the 22nd. Then it got pushed back to the 25th. Because, again, it's based on when I spoke to the rep the first time, where they said, all right, we created a shipping label and the package return, you should get it back within 3 business days. So when they receive it. So if you looked at the 19th, so it would have been 20th, 21st, 22nd. That's where we got that number, 22nd. But then on their website, because they received it on the 21st, supposedly, they said you should actually get it back on the 25th. So now to come to get the update, because I actually had to scour, because I was told, again, to get a 24 to 48 hour update. So I figured, all right, I'll go ahead and see if there's any update today. And so then that's where I found on their website with my service order detail was that it got pushed back to the 26th. Again, it says your product will be shipped to you once it is repaired. The product is in the process of being repaired. So that means, I think, if this is true, the 26th, that means they're probably shipping it back to their manufacturing in China, or the factory in China where they originally shipped it out. So again, it took them almost 30 days to get here and land it here, past customs and everything. Again, I probably had this laptop at most to be able to work and do anything with it. Again, you viewers actually have seen like the timeline, the postings and everything, so you could see I probably had this probably less than a month for sure, because to work on it and do stuff on it, and to have that issue where a month, and then to have it probably back next month, that means February or January, from November to December, so that's 1 month, and then December to January, that's 2 months, and then probably by the end of January to February, that's 3 months. So that means it was taken, I would say, 2 months in a week or two. So yeah, it's not very good at this point. Not very happy with this. I'm not sure if any of you guys actually have experienced this or have had this issue when you returned it. But yeah, I thought they could just send a new one, or they could even, like I said, they even said back up your stuff. Make sure there's nothing sensitive, which I didn't. I backed up everything, so if they needed to send me a new laptop, that's fine. With the same specs, that's fine. Again, this is where they said the fine print also. Due to parts, inventory, back orders, shipping issues, repair times, or circumstances beyond HP's control, your order may require additional time. In these situations, you will be notified by HP, which again, I have not been notified. I've actually had to do a lot of legwork by calling and see what the status, because that when I spoke with different customer service, and especially customer service will bounce you around a couple times because their call center, I'm not sure what's going on there. So it has been very frustrating. Like I said, luckily, when I order it, I knew I was fine. It's 30 days. I could deal with that. That's not a problem for the savings. But then with also, like I said, I had the backup laptop, but so far, because I gave it to my daughter for school. So again, that's now we're kind of having to share, because of course we thought I was going to have this new laptop, and then was going to be able to work on it. So I'm not sure about HP. Hopefully they can make it up somehow. I'm not sure if you guys had any issues recently. Again, they said that due to COVID, and this fine print again right here, you can see that yeah, that this is could be the new normal. So just trying to lay the expectations for you guys, because it sounds like HP wasn't able to lay that expectation or give me a heads up what could potentially happen. Pretty much you have to read on their website or what could happen too. So just giving you guys a heads up, if you were told that it could take 3 business days to get your laptop fixed, and then have it 2 days, have that return box shipped to you, and then have 3 days for them to repair it, and then 2 days to ship it back, pretty much. Sure, that's almost a week and a half, so that seemed reasonable. But yeah, just try and give you that expectation that, well, yeah, you might not have that turnaround. So just giving you a heads up, that way if you guys are caught off guard or don't have a laptop or a PC or anything back up to be able to work on. Just kind of be prepared that that is that possibility with the new normal with HP. That is how they're doing things. So that way you're not surprised with this. So hopefully this video helped, and appreciate the support and views if you stick through this. And again, hopefully it's not the new normal. Hopefully HP is aware of this and that they could improve their streamline and their logistics on fixing things for customers' experience and stuff. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any issues with your laptop recently purchased within a year or less, or even if you had to send it for fixing during under your warranty. So go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Again, we post every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays on any topic that could help or anything that could be interest, again based on views. So I do appreciate the support, and together we can build a better tomorrow. Thanks.